It's Saturday, the 8th of August 2020. Time is just after 11 o'clock. It's a real nice morning, and I'm just coming into a little place called Snod's Edge, which is just along the road from where I live, really. Snod's Edge is just a little village. Only half a dozen houses in it, that's it. You're in and out in seconds. So I'm heading on the A69, going west up to Hexham for a bit walk along the river. See if I can do a few miles up there the day. I just sat wondering this morning whether I fancy going today, and I thought, yeah, well, I thought I'll go to Hexham. Tomorrow is supposed to be another nice day. If it is, I'm planning on going up the coast, sea houses, Bambra, Bowie Island, somewhere like that. So we'll see what tomorrow brings, and then that's it. Full week ahead again after that. Things is very busy, work-wise, more busy than I expected, but got to take it while it's there. Last time I was at Hexham, there was some little signs up. Somebody had lost their dog. It fell in the river, apparently. Obviously it surely drowned, like, I would imagine, because it would have got completely swept away. It was a French bulldog, so never to be seen again, I think. Right, I'm just approaching the A68. And as I say, glorious day. There's some traffic going past. Quite a few cars. Just joined the A69 towards Hexham, and it looks very busy. Certainly everything seems to be back to normal. I just wonder how busy down by the river is. I know last time I was there, which was only last week, it was chock-a-block. It was quite difficult to get a parking spot, actually. That's how busy it was. But it's only 10 minutes up the road, so I'll find out shortly. But the 69 is busy for sure. Both ways. Well, I got here. There's Hexham River. Nice little house over the way. Somebody's doing some kind of building work or something. But it's certainly a nice day. Just see how far I get. I'm planning on going to this little pub. Not for a drink or nothing, just walking to the pub. I've been there before, but I can't remember the name of it. It's about a 5-mile walk each way, I think. So that'll be a nice day out. I wonder if anybody's looked at the website yet. At www.walkingwithian.co.uk, which I'm busy working on bit by bit, just getting the time, that's all. I did add a bit on the front page which has got the latest video, so when I make one I'll put that one on the front page. So this one will be on the front page once it gets uploaded. It's cool in the shade. I've just came in the shade and it's quite cool in the shade, but nice in the sun. So anyway, move on a bit. I mentioned my trip to Wales, September. Third attempt to try and go there this year. By the news this morning, it might not be happening again. Looks like different parts of the country's going on lockdown or more serious rules. I'm sure we've all seen the news. I just try and stay away from it, but now and again you've got to have a quick look just to see what's going on. Otherwise you're left in the dark. But we'll have to wait and see. It's still a few weeks away yet, so fingers crossed anyway. Well, I'm up to the railway line. There's a train due in about 30 minutes. Maybe I'll catch it, and it's coming towards me, which is much better, like, of course. You get a better view of the train. Warm, very, very warm, that's for sure. So, but I mean, it depends how far I get along. I might be past where you get a good view of the train. There's a little view of the river. Apparently this used to be a bridge across here at some point. You can see these wooden structures with concrete and steel on the top. I don't know when the bridge was taken away, of course. I would imagine railway bridge, not for vehicles, because there's no roads on the other side. Well, apart from the A69, it's just travelling along the back of here. And I'm walking up to the 69 where it crosses over this railway line and over the river on its way up to Carlisle. So it's quite good, this, because you've got little bits in the sunshine and you get red hot, then you get some in the shadow when you get very cool. So we'll see how far we get. I mean, of course, I'm walking all the way along the railway line, so I will see the train, but whether I'll be close to it like I am right now is another thing. That's the A69 running over the top, what I mentioned before. There's a car here, I don't know how that got here. Of course, this is a road further on. But it's a funny old track, because I mean people walk on it as well. Train line's still here. But the wall's going to get too high for a moment. The train's not due yet anyway, so but I think it'll be a matter of like pointing the camera up there to catch the train. So, right underneath the A69, nice and cool again for a change. There's a railway line there. Last time I come along as well, this house here was up for sale. So I don't see any for sale signs. So maybe being sold now. There's the train. So I was nowhere near it. But never mind. Might catch it on the way back. So this is another little village, not sure of its name, but there's only a few houses in this little village as well. Some nice little places to live. Some people's got some nice properties. Bit lonely in the winter, I suppose, but anyway, it's nice where I live. Nice places for walking. But I like this one. Get up through here, cross the bridge, and then a bit sit at the pub, watch a bit of traffic and that go past, and then head back again. As I say, the whole thing's about 5 miles each way, so it's nice on a day like this. Well, I'm on the bridge. The pub's the boathouse. I couldn't remember the name of it, but every time I've been, it's been closed over the last few months, obviously, with the COVID. Beautiful view of the river, and just over here is a heron, just standing. They're just like a statue, hard to see, but when they fly, God, they're big birds, like very big birds. I think I might just get me camcorder out and see if I can get a shot of it. I did get quite a good bit of footage on the heron, I think. I'll put it on at the end of the video if it's any good. It was quite a way off, so I don't know it. I got a look at it at home. But this is the other side of the river. Railway bridge is down there. And I'll move across the bridge, I think, now. So this is a pub in front of the boathouse, and for the first time since lockdown, it's open. People sitting underneath umbrellas, and I believe they've got this big teepee thing here. I believe they're cooking their burgers and stuff in there. So I normally sit on a seat over here, but there's a couple of people sitting there, so let's put a block on that. So this is the walk anyway. I'm tempted to walk down that road. Just to see if you meet up with the river again. Yeah, I'll give it a go, see what happens. Halfway down the road, and the footpath runs out on this side. You've got to cross over and join the footpath on the other side. See, the farmer's been cutting the straw. And there's the bales. Quite big bales, them, mate. Yeah. Look like Weetabix. Aye, I love Weetabix, by the way. Nice few Weetabix for your breakfast. Here's a local bus coming, I presume. Where's he heading? Newcastle. Express service. Express service to Newcastle. Where from, I wonder? I just ended up at this row of houses, and then just here the footpath ended, so looks a bit dangerous. The cars are going very fast, so I thought head back. But anyway, somewhere I've never been before, so it was something new to see. Little archway there into somebody's garden, look. Wouldn't get my van in there, that's for sure, it's too small. One or two of these empty, like, anybody in. A couple of people coming along on push bikes. But not that one, the two that's coming towards us. Take the crossover. It's a bit breezy on the way back, which is nice, because it was quite hot coming the opposite direction. Back on the bridge, and the heron's still there. It's moved a little bit, but it's still in the same area. Just standing. They really are just like a statue at times. Just like the one you see stand next to somebody's pond in their garden. Quite a busy place this. The boathouse has got lots of people in eating. I would say social distance measures are still informed, like, but yeah, it's very busy anyway. But I still couldn't get a seat. Them people were still sitting on the same seat. But not to worry. I'll be moving back along the railway line before long. Just past this farm gate, and these lot were just having a nice lie down, but they got a shock when I came along. This year's lambs by the looks of it. Plenty of meat on them now. Bless them. Just past back under the 69, heading back along the railway towards the river. Might catch a train this time. I'm lucky. I can look on my app and see what time they're coming, of course, but I'll do that when I get to a good spot, because at the moment it's the track, as you can see, is quite, it's above my head actually. So not many people along here. I passed a few, but not many, which is good. Most of them are just sitting in the park, well, on the green next to the river, and some are actually in the river with little boats and things, and dinghies and canoes and stuff. But been a good day for a walk, that's for sure. I'm enjoying it. Here's a train coming now. Yeah, so we caught that one okay. See if I can get one coming this way, on this side. I'm not a train spotter, but I like to see them. It's like airplanes, I could watch them all day. Watching them is better than being on them, of course. Being on them is just boring. It's like sitting on a bus. Just a few thousand feet up in the sky, that's all. But watching them land and take off is something else, I think. Really enjoy it. Missed that one. Well, I thought a few more minutes just like at the end, but that's it. I haven't got much choice now. It's stopping actually. Or slowing right down 1 to 2. Well, I've nearly done my 10 mile, and it's such a nice day, such a nice place. It's one of them days when you think, I'm nearly back, I wish I had further to go. I just feel like I could walk all day the day. It's gorgeous. Few people here now because I'm nearly at the parking area. Just stood in dogs' crap as well. Does my head in that, people not cleaning up after their dogs. Now I'm going to have to try and clean my shoes somehow. Oh, can't believe it. I've done over 1,000 miles in these Berghaus shoes. Never once stood in dog's crap. But there you go. I wasn't watching where I was going. That's a problem. Ah, yeah, well. Try my best to get it off, like. But, there you go. Anyway, that's a bit of a laugh. But never mind. Right time I headed over this direction because it's over here where I'm parked somewhere. I had a change of plan. I thought I would bring this video of today to an end, looking at this scenery here. This river is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. This could be anywhere in the world, this, but it's just up the road in Hexham. Beautiful to look at. And just to think that poor dog came over the top of here somewhere and went down there, I presume. A dead bird down there, seagull, by the looks of it. Yeah, so anyway, 5 minutes here and then I'll head back, sort this video out, charge up for tomorrow, and remember I'm going to end with the bird heron that I've seen further upriver, well, about 5 miles up there. So as usual, thanks for watching, thanks for following. I appreciate the like if you click the thumbs up, and if it's your first time here and you want to see more videos, just click subscribe and you get a notification when I upload anything else. Thanks very much from a sunny afternoon in Hexham. Bye for now. Take care. Stay safe.